Hello everyone, welcome to new SwiftUI tutorial. In this lesson we are going to learn how you can create this loading bar animation using shape and how to utilize timer for animation. Apart from that, we will also look how to animate our dashboard or login page. So let's get started. So if you look at the loader, we have a text, then we have a capsule, and in that we have another capsule, and we have a number which is being increased using content transition. So if you look closely, our loading text is being flashed and our capsule is being filled. So in order to achieve this, what we did is we created a VStack. First we have created text, and in that text we have added few styles. And in that style we have added opacity and animation. So for the opacity, it checks whether it's 100. If the percentage is 100, it's going to stop flashing. But if it's not 100, what it does is it continues to flash. Now how it is flashing depends on the timer that we have utilized first to toggle show loading. So we will look at how we are utilizing timer later on. Now to create the loading bar, we have created two capsules. And first we have our parent capsule, which have a stroke of line width 2 and its foreground style is white. Then we have overlaid with another capsule, and this capsule has foreground style of green. So as you saw that our capsule was being filled with green color, so that was achieved using overlay, and in that overlay we added another capsule and we have given loading progress. Now what this loading progress do is it fills as our percentage increases. Then we have a percentage, and this percentage have its own styles. And we have added content transition dot numeric text to add that effect where percentage is where the numbers are being animated as just like the counter. So here you can see that a number is being animated like the counter, and it is achieved using content transition dot numeric text. After that, we have added timers on appear. So the very first thing that we have done for our capsule to fill is we have increased the width to 364, and we have done with an animation dot ease in out, and we have added 10-second duration. So it will take 10 seconds to complete the loading bar, and we have declared the state percentage timer at struct level. We have declared the state so that we can invalidate it once it's being completed. So the better utilization of timer is by invalidating it after completion of your animation or whatever the condition you need to add. So here we have added if a percentage is less than 100, keep increasing the percentage. Once percentage is greater than 100, just invalidate the timer. Then we have introduced another timer, and we have set against progress timer, and this progress timer is used to toggle show loading, and this show loading is used to make our loading text flash. So if you see, the show loading is being used to toggle the opacity from 100 to 0. This is how we are achieving its flash. And then we have our login view. In login view, we have created simple VStack. We have image, and then text freeze and a button. And in order to animate it, we look at once the percentage is greater than 99, we scale it to 1 from 0. It animates by 1.2 seconds from 0 to 1. So the time that it takes to fill our screen is 1.2 seconds. So this is how we created a loading bar using capsules, and we flash using the opacity, and we also learned how we can utilize the timer correctly. Make sure you invalidate the timer after utilizing it. So the summary of this is that we look at how we can create the animation using shape capsule, and we also learned the correct way of utilizing timer in our application for animation. Thank you so much for watching. Hope you learned something new of utilizing timer and creating animation using shape. I have also added different animations, and these all are uploaded to Git repo, and the repo is mentioned in the description column. Thank you so much again for watching this. Hope you guys learned something new. Do subscribe for further more lessons.